This building is amazing. It is a beautiful building with great structure and great bones. And to be a part of adding to the history of this project for us here at Samsung and Prism View, we are honored that we were chosen to be a part of this. The age of the building just lends to its beauty. It's loud. If the walls could talk, they would. And being allowed to add to the history of this building by bringing our technologies to this league and to the people of Syracuse, we're very proud of that.
Well, I wanted the best of the best in terms of the board and the electronics, but I wanted to maintain that charm of the building, that old school feel that we have here. And they knocked it out of the park. We have it, now we have it all.
This is a minor league hockey facility that has a greater resolution than most NBA and NHL facilities. The project was very exciting to be a part of. We doubled the square footage of the existing signage that they had.
So the fans have been a lot more into every single game. They seem to be way more energetic than they ever have been before. Crazy to see all their excitement, especially just looking at the board. They all said that they were watching the board and not actually watching the play itself. So that, I think, says a lot.
The building's just transformed. It's brought it into it's a newer looking building now. I mean, we know it has history, which is part of the charm and part of why we love playing here, but also, you know, with the new ads, with the suites, with the scoreboard, it just makes it a great place to play.
And it's because of all the products that are in here. I hear it everywhere I go. I haven't been yet. I have to see this stuff. It's a game changer, and it really does look like a new building.
The biggest challenge for this job was actually the time frame, getting it done in time before the first game. We had a short amount of time. We were able to build this project to where our install time was decreased dramatically. Our install time for the center hung alone took 1 day.
The larger screen, it's just so clear and so crisp, and such an enjoyment to watch the game and to see some replays, and you can see the puck move across the ice up there like no tomorrow. Better than TV.
Syracuse has been one of our greatest partners to work with. Their ability to come in and work hand in hand with our Prism View team has been phenomenal.
I'm at a point now after this project, I'm not only hoping for people to tell me, but I'm going out of my way to tell them just how proud I am of this system and of Samsung and the fact that they came in here and gave us this beautiful state-of-the-art system.